Lesson number third one. The first of one method to the graphical method complete. Second, substitution method to the end. The third one, elimination method. Elimination, it meaning to the refuse or the cancel or cancellation method, or that variable to the elimination to the remove or cancel. So therefore, example number 8.1, the ratio of incomes. There is the income, the point of me. There are of two persons. So is there the two persons. That two persons, the income of 9:7. That point given already in the question. 9:7. 9:7. That means one person's the income of 9 rupees. The second one person's the income of 7 rupees. And next continue. And ratio of their expenditure, that persons to the expenditure. Expenditures to the noted up that point expenditures. Expenditures there is given 4:3. 4:3. First person's the expenditure rupees are 4. And the second person the expenditure of 3 rupees is clear. So next, if each of managed to save rupees 2,000 each person, first person to the managers the saving amount of 2,000 rupees, and the second person so is the income and to the expenditure last to the saving amount of that person's 2,000 rupees per month. Find their monthly income. Find there that two persons the monthly income. So is the first person, let first person monthly income rupees of X. The first person, there are two persons because is the given, so is the two persons is that line given. So therefore the first person monthly income of that person's rupees of X. And second one, so the second person monthly income of rupees Y is clear. Understand that two lines. The first line, there is the first person, one of the first persons the monthly income of X rupees, and second persons there is the monthly income of Y rupees. So it therefore the ratio of incomes of that two persons 9:7. So there first one of first person to the income, first person income is to the expenditure equal to the saving amount. Yes, is the saving amount. So the saving amount. Therefore, the first person income is 9 rupees. So is therefore 9x. Next, so minus, because the saving amount. So there is income to the minus, there is the minus, and the first person's income minus expenditure equal to saving amount. Yes, okay. So therefore that person's income of 9x is given 9. So is the 9x, and that person's the expenditure rupees of 4x. So is minus 4x equal to the saving amount of that two persons managed to the save the amount of 2,000 is given. So is therefore 2,000 rupees. That is equation number 1. To the equation number 1 complete. And Second person, so is the second person. Write it that point, second person. So second person, that person's income minus expenditure equal to saving amount or saved amount. Yes, saved amount. So is therefore the second person, that person's income of 7 rupees. So is therefore that is 7x minus that person's the expenditure rupees of 3. So is therefore minus is there, sorry, so is the y, because expenditure is to the let first person's monthly income of rupees x, second person monthly income of rupees x, mistakes is there x, and so is the expenditure. Write that expenditure, first person expenditure is to the y, and second person the expenditure rupees of y. So is therefore first person, let be first person monthly income of rupees x, first person to the expenditure of y, and next one second person monthly income of rupees of x, and second person to the monthly expenditure of rupees y. So is therefore that income 9x to the expenditure denoted by the y. So is therefore 4 into y, there is 4y, one is the small mistakes, 4y is clear. 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, the first half equation. And second person's the income is the 7 rupees, income the rupees of 7 into x, because 7 and income x, so is the 7x minus expenditure, that second person's expenditure 3 into y, so is the 3y, the saving amount of that 2% saving amount of rupees 2000, that's our second equation. So is therefore the balance of equations, there is first half equation 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, that is first equation, and second equation 7x minus 3y equal to 2000 rupees, that is second equation. Yes, okay, clear, understand that equations, write it. So the first half equation 9x minus 4y equal to 2000, first equation. Second equation 7x minus 3y equal to 2000. Not equal of the 2 points are 4y minus 3y. So is the multiply of 7 into 9. 7 9s are 63x. 7 4s are 28y. 7 2s are 14. There is next 9 7s are 63x. 9 3s are 27y equal to 9 2s are 18. Rupees of 18,000. Next, so therefore plus there is subtraction that equal balance. So is therefore minus is plus and minus. So is 63 cancel, minus 28 plus 27 minus y. So is 18,000 minus 14,000 plus. So is the remaining rupees of 4,000. 18,000 minus 14,000, the remaining amount 18,000. So is the minus of 14,000. There is 0,004. Yes, okay, 4,000. Remaining amount of 4,000. Large number minus 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 cancelled, y equal to 4,000 rupees. Y is the second person, the income 4,000 rupees. And next you find the second, that equation, fill in the equation number 1, equation number 2, equation number 3, equation number 4. So is the 9x minus 4y equal to 2000. So is therefore substitute of y equal to 4,000. Y equal to 4,000 rupees substitute. So 9x minus 4 into 4,000. So is the 4,000 equal to 2,000. 1 minute. 9x 4 4s are 16,000. 16,000 equal to 2,000. So is the 9x equal to 2,000 plus 16,000. 9x equal to 16 plus 2, 18,000 rupees. 18,000. X equal to 18,000. So is the divided by 9. 9 ones are 9 twos are. X equal to the rupees of 2,000 rupees. Substitution method. Use the elimination method, the first half statement, to find all possible solutions of the following pair of linear equation. Next, one of the pair of linear equation, that equation solution, and find the how many solutions are possibly many solutions. So is that question. First you try to the solutions of that question. 2x plus 3y equal to 8, 4x plus 6y equal to 7. That is a pair of linear equation. That equation's solution of elimination method. So write it the equation first of you. 2x plus 3y equal to 8. 4x plus 6y equal to 7. The first of one equation, the second equation. You take any one of the equations, the first one or the second one, choosing to you. So is 2x plus 3y equal to 8 and 4x plus 6y equal to 7. 4x minus 2x remaining, there is the one after. 6 minus 3 is the remaining one term. 4 plus 2 is the one after. 6 plus 3, 9 is one after, not 0. That time, that two equations are to the equal, the first of one term or second term. So therefore, multiply by the equation number 1 by 4 and multiply by the second equation by 2. Yes, okay. The first of one equation multiply by the 4. Second equation multiply by the 2. Because there is the elimination method, the order or condition. So therefore, 4 2s are 8x. 4 3s are 12y. 4 8s are 32. The first of one. Second, 2 4s are 8x plus 2 6s are 12y equal to 2 7s are 14. Equation number third. Equation number fourth. Be alert. Be careful. Equation number 1. Equation number 2. Equation number 3. Equation number 4. And next to try, there is plus 8x, so it's the same of symbol. So that time subtraction. Therefore, minus 8x plus minus 8x cancel. plus 12y cancel 0 equal to 32 minus 14. 12 of 4 is 8, carry 1. 3 minus 2 is 1. 0 equal to 18, that is equal, the balance equal, there is the answer of 0. So is the 18. Not equal. Not equal, it means that the given problem is false. There is no solution because there is not remaining any one of the variable x or y. So is the given the example of false, therefore no solution. Possible solutions, the answer of no solution. Yes, okay, write it. ಮೆಥಡ್ ಎಲಿಮಿನೇಷನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ವರ್ಜಿಸುವಂತ. ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಆಲ್ ಪಾಸಿಬಲ್ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, ಆ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರುವಂತ ಸಮೀಕರಣಕ್ಕೆ ಎಷ್ಟು ಉತ್ತರಗಳದಾವ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ ಉತ್ತರಗಳ ಕಂಡುಹಿಡ್ರಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ದ. ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾಲೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಫೇರ್ ಆಫ್ ಲೀನಿಯರ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್, ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ರ ಅವರು 2x + 3y = 8, 4x + 6y = 7 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಎರಡು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ ನಾವು. ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ 4 2 ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ 4 2 ಕಳೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಉಳ್ಕೊಂಡ್ ಬಿಡುತ್ತೆ. 6 3 ಕೂಡಿಸ್ರಿ ಅಥವಾ 6 3 ಕಳೀರಿ, ಒಂದು ವೇರಿಯೇಬಲ್ ಉಳಿತೆ. ಅವಾಗ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೋಬೇಕು ನಾವು. ಸರಿ, ಹಂಗಾದ್ರ ಈ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 4 ರಿಂದ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 2 ರಿಂದ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಿದೀವಿ. 4 × 2x 8x, 4 × 3 12y, 4 8 32, 2 4 8x, 2 6 12y, 2 7 14. ಹೌದಾ? ಇವಾಗ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು, ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8x ಅದ, ಇದು ಪ್ಲಸ್ 8x ಅದ, ಎರಡು ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಅದಾವ, ಒಂದು ವಿರುದ್ಧ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರ ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತ ಬರೀತೀವಿ. ಇದು ಬರ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ ಮುಂದೆ. ಸಬ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಕಳೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದಿವಿ. ಕಳೆಯಲಾಗಿದೆ ಅಂದಾಗ ಚಿಹ್ನೆಗಳ ಬದಲಾವಣೆ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. -8 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -12 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, -14 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. 8x ಆಗ 8x ಹೋಯ್ತು, 0 ಬಂತು. 12y ದಲ್ಲಿ 12y ಹೋಗೇ ಬಿಡ್ತದನು, 0ನೇ ಬಂತು. 32ದಲ್ಲಿ 14 ಕಳಿಬೇಕು, 18 ಉಳಿತು. 0 = 18 ಆಗ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಸಾಧ್ಯನಾ? 0 18ಕ್ಕೆ ಸಮ ಆಗತ್ತಾ? ಆಗಲ್ಲ. ನಾಟ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಅಂತ ಹಾಕಿದ್ರಿ, ಸಮ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಸಮ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂದ್ರ ಈ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ ಲೆಕ್ಕಕ್ಕ ಉತ್ತರಗಳು ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಂತ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯ್ತಾ? ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 digit ನಂಬರ್, one of the 2 digit number, that number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. The first of one number, 2 digit number. Second time that 2 digit number reversing the sum of 66. Next, if the digit of the number differ by 2, so is the your number first you selected of that number, the difference of 2, and find the number, how many such numbers are there. Find the how many such numbers are there, that is the question. So is therefore your number, the sum of 2 digit number ಏನಂತ ಕೊಟ್ರಿ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ಮೊತ್ತ. ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 digit number. 2 digit ಅಂದ್ರ 10 ರಿಂದ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 99 ತನ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. 10ಕ್ಕೆ ಚಾಲು ಆಗಿದ್ದು 99 ತನ ಏನ್ ಬರ್ತಾವಲ್ಲ ಅವೆಲ್ಲ 2 digit ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು. ಹೌದಾ? ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 2 digit number and the number obtained by reversing the digit is 66. ಒಂದು 2 digit ನಂಬರ್ ಸಿಲೆಕ್ಟೆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ರಿ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅದೇ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. 23 ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡ್ರಿ ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ನಂಬರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸ್ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಎಷ್ಟಾಗತ್ತೆ? 32 ಆಗತ್ತೆ. 23 32 ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಎಷ್ಟು? 55 ಆಗತ್ತಲ್ಲ. ಹಂಗ ಅವರು ಒಂದು 2 digit ನಂಬರ್ ತಗೊಂಡಾರ, ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಯಾರ, ಅವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸ್ಯಾರ. ಅವೆರಡು ಕೂಡಿಸಿದ್ರೆ ಅವ್ರ ಉತ್ತರ ಎಷ್ಟು ಬಂದದ? 66 ಬಂತು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್, ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಡಿಫರ್ ಬೈ 2, ಅವೆರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳ ಅಂತರತದಲ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಅಂತ ಕರಿತೀವಿ. ಆ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟು? 2. ಎರಡು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ನಿಮ್ಗೂ? XY ಅಂತಕ್ಕಂಥ ಒಂದು ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ, ಹೌದಾ, X - Y = 2 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇನ್ನು ಅದು ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡಿರಿ ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ವೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆದಾಗ ವೈ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅಂಥವು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ ಹೌ ಮೆನಿ ಸಚ್ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ದೇರ್, ಅಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿವೆ ಅವುಗಳನ್ನ ಕಂಡು ಹಿಡಿಯಿರಿ ಅಂತ ನಿಮಗ ಹೇಳ್ದಾವ. ನೋಡೋಣ ಹಂಗಾದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವೇನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟಿಂಗ್ ಒಳಗ ಅಂತಂದ್ರ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಟ್ ದ 2 digit number x y. First you starting take that your 2 digit number x y. So that number write to the first time in expanding systems or expand. Therefore that is x y, x is the tens place, y is the units place. So that time you write that the xy 10x plus y is correct. xy so is the right in the 10x plus y, and that number reversing your number, that take that number, so that number reversing the 2 digit number reversing it means xy is to the change of yx, so that right in the expanding yx is the 10y plus x, 10y plus x. The sum of that two numbers, the sum of given, the sum of is there 66. So is therefore the sum of 66. What is the sum of 66? So is there your equations 10x plus y, 10x plus y, another one of reversing order or reversing number 10y plus x, 10y plus x, the sum of given 66. So 10x plus x is the 11x, y 10y is the 11y equal to 66. 11 66 is the same of table, 11th table. Yes, okay. That number divisible by 11, divisible by the 11, remaining x plus y equal to 6. That's called you first one equation. That is called you first equation. So is the next step. If the digit of the number differ by 2, so is therefore how is the solutions of that second equation? That is the first equation. The what is the second equation? Second equation is given if the digit of the number differ by 2, so is the first of your number, selected number xy. There is the differ it means differ by 2, so is first of your number xy, x minus y equal to 2, that is number second, and that number reversing, so in that time that numbers yx, so is therefore y minus x is to the differ by 2, that is third equation. Yes, you solution time take equation number 1 or 2 or equation number third, any two equations solution time take that. Next one is to the continue that how is the solutions of that equations to continue. Let the 2 digit number, ಇವಾಗ ಆ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳುಳ್ಳ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ನಾವು xy ಅಂತ ತಗೊಂಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ. ಈ xy ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು, ವಿಸ್ತರಿಸಿ ಬರೀಬೇಕು. ಅದು 10x plus y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಅದನ್ನೇ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಅಂತ ತಗೋತೀರಿ ನೀವು. ದ 2 digit ನಂಬರ್ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್, ತೆಗೆದುಕೊಂಡಿದ್ದ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆ ರಿವರ್ಸಿಂಗ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡ್ರಿ yx ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. yx ಆದಾಗ 10y plus x ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಅವೆರಡು ಕುರಿತು ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ ಅವ್ರು, ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಎರಡು ಅಂತ ಸಮ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ದ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ 66 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ಯಾರ. ಸೊ ಇಸ್ ದ 10x plus y, ಇದು ಮತ್ತು ಇದು 10y plus x the sum of 66. So 10x plus x 11x 10y plus y 11y equal to 66. 10x ಇದೊಂದು x 11x 10y ಇದೊಂದು y 11y equal to 66. 11x 11y 66 11ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ 11ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗಿಸಲಾಗಿ ಅಂತ ಬರೆದ್ರಿ. ಆನಂತರ x ಪ್ಲಸ್ y ಉಳಿತು 6. ಇದು ಒಂದನೇ ಸಮೀಕರಣ, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ನೋಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡಬೇಕು. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ಮುಂದೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂ ಆಗ್ತದೆ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ಸ್. ಇಫ್ ದ ಡಿಜಿಟ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ನಂಬರ್ಸ್ ಡಿಫೈಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾನೆ. ಅಂದ್ರ ಆ ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳ ವ್ಯತ್ಯಾಸ ಎಷ್ಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ ಅವರು, 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಾರೆ. ಎರಡು ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಯಾವ್ಯಾವ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಒಂದು XY ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದು YX ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು ಒಂದ್ಸಲ XY ಅಂತ ತಗೋಬೇಕು, ಅದಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತರ ಎಷ್ಟಾಗುತ್ತೆ 2. ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇನ್ನೊಂದು ನಿಮಗೆ ನಂಬರ್ ಅದಲ್ಲ, ಅದು YX ಅನ್ನುವಂಥದ್ದು, ಅದು Y ಮೈನಸ್ X ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, ಅದು ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2. ಇಷ್ಟು ತಗೊಂಡ ನಂತರ ಇವಾಗ ನಾವು ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕು. ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ರೆಡಿ ಆಗ್ಬೇಕಾದ್ರ ಇದು ಒಂದೇ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ಬ್ಯಾಡ ಅಂತ ಅಲ್ಲ. ಸರ್ ನಾ ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೊಂಡು ಇದನ್ನ ತಗೋತೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೂ ತಗೋಬಹುದು, ನಾವೇನ್ ಅಬ್ಜೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವ್ ಇದನ್ನೇ ತಗೋಬೇಕು ಇದನ್ನೇ ಬಿಡಿಸ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತೇನಿಲ್ಲ. 3 ಅದಾವ, ಒಂದರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು 2 ತಗೋಬಹುದು ಅಥವಾ ಒಂದರ ಜೊತೆ ನೀವು 3 ತಗೋಬಹುದು. ಅದ್ರ 3 ಒಮ್ಮೆ ಇಟ್ಟು ಬಿಡಿಸಿರಿ, ಮತ್ತೆ ಹಂಗ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಫ್ ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ 1 selected. ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ choice. ದೇರ್ ಆರ್ 2 equations ಆರ್ ನಂಬರ್ 3 equations. ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು 2 ಮತ್ತು 3ರಲ್ಲಿ x plus y equal to 6 equation number 1. So is the x minus y equal to 2. X minus y equal to 2, that is equation number 2. The method of solutions, the solution method is elimination method. So is therefore direct x plus x plus x plus y minus y is the opposite. So is that therefore adding. Therefore x plus x 2x plus y minus y cancel. 6 plus 2 equal to 8. X equal to 8 by 2. 2 1s are 2 4s are x equal to 4. Yes, x equal to 4. Next that number substitute in equation number 1 or equation number 2. Therefore equation number 1 x plus y equal to 6. What is the x value? X is 4. That number substitute in equation number 1. So is 4 plus y equal to 6. Y equal to 6 plus 4 is the minus 4. Y equal to answer of 6 minus 4 is 2. Yes, okay. So therefore your number, let it be the starting number x y, your number. So is the that number answer. Write it the answer, the number x y. X the answer of 4. X answer of 4 and y is the 2. So is the 42. That number reversing. So is the yx. Yx it means y is the answer of 2 and x is the answer of 4. The sum of 66, 42, 24, the sum of 66 is the given 66. Yes, okay. So is therefore there are how many numbers in there? So is the 2 numbers of that number in a given answers, 42 and 24. So therefore 42 and 24 ಮೆಥಡ್ ತಗೊಂಡು x plus y ಇದೆ ತೋರಿ, 2x plus 3y 4 ಆದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 2ರಿಂದ ಇದಕ್ಕೆ 1ರಿಂದ ಗುಣಿಸ್ರಿ. 2x 2y 10, 1 2x 1 3 3y 1 4 4. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ, ಕಳೀರಿ. ಮೈನಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗ್ತಾವ. 5y ಆಗುತ್ತೆ, 10 4 ಕಳೆದ್ರೆ 6 ಉಳಿತು. y equal to 6 by 5. ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 ಇದನ್ನ y equal to 6 by 5 ಆಡ್ ಮಾಡ್ರಿ. ಇಕ್ವೇಶನ್ ನಂಬರ್ 1 x equal to 6 upon 5 equal to 5. x equal to 5 minus 6 upon 5. 5 plus transpose ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಂಡಾಗ 5 5s are 25, 6 5, x equal to 19 by 5. Therefore x equal to 19 by 5, y equal to 6 by 5. So y 5, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. Substitution method, x plus y equal to 5, equation 1, equation 2. So x equal to y minus 5 minus y. That equation substitute in equation number 2. Substitute equation number 2. Y equal x equal to 5 minus y. There is equation 2, 2x minus 3y equal to 4. So is 2x minus 3, y is 5 minus y. 5 minus y equal to 4. 2x 3 5s are 15 minus minus plus 3y. So is the x value. Fill the x value. So is the cancel, not y value. X value 2x minus 3y equal to 4. X equal to is the 2, x 5 minus y minus 3y 4. 2 5s are 10, 2y minus 3y equal to 4. 10 minus 2 minus 3 minus 5y equal to 4. 10 plus 4 is the minus 4, minus 5y is the plus 5y. 5y equal to 10 minus 4 is 6. So is y equal to 6 upon 5. 6 upon 5, that is y value. And find the x answer. X equal to 5, x equal to 5 minus y. Substitute of y equal to 6 minus 5. 6 minus 5. So x 5, 6 upon 5. So is x equal to LCM of 5. 5 5s are 25 minus 6. X equal to 25 minus 6, 19 by 5. That is x. Though finally write that answer. X equal to 19 by 5, y equal to 6 by 5. That's all the answer of the number 1. 3.3. Number first one questions. So is the remaining 3 questions to try. Second one, 3x plus 4y equal to 10 and 2x minus 2y equal to 2. The first of one equation, solution by the elimination method and the substitution method. And second one, 3x minus 5y minus 4 equal to 0 and 9x equal to 2y plus 7. That is second equation. And third equation, so is the fourth one, x upon 2 plus 2y upon 3 equal to minus 1 and x minus y upon 3 equal to 3. That 3 equations are to try elimination method and the substitution method. That is homework.